All right.
Knew that this was coming. Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway. Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more, that's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human.
Oh, challenge accepted, she says. That's real nice. Except for you were screaming so loud, the whole front half is kind of unusable.
Yeah, I tried.
But that's awesome. Don't change your part. That's great.
I knew that this was coming. Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway. Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more, that's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human.
Do you want to do the low part?
Sure.
You could do it. Just takes practice, Kelly.
I knew that this was coming. Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway. Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more, that's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human.
All right. Sorry, I didn't have your
Oh, you're good.
level up here.
I knew that this was coming. Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway.
Fake love, fake friends. I think is your
Okay.
note. You're singing the low octave.
Oh, yeah.
Fake love, fake friends.
I knew that this was coming. Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway. Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more, that's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human.
Oh, God damn it. Yeah.
I don't know if we need that lower one.
Let's not, I don't think it's something that goes the whole time.
Okay.
I think you do the fake love, fake friends. Fuck you, forget them. You know what I mean? Just
Yeah,
hit
yeah, yeah.
hit those kind of big notes, and then that whole the whole middle section can be just the two part.
Okay.
And let's check the last line.
Enough, we'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human.
Don't trust a human. I think maybe just the hook.
Okay.
I knew that this was coming. Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway. Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more, that's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human. Caving in, don't trust a human. Caving in, don't trust a human.
Don't trust a human.
Don't trust a human.
We'll all be bored. My walls are up, not caving in. Don't trust a human.
There it is. Cool. The only other part is the third chorus. Let's go check and see if any of these like little doubled things need it. Or not doubled, but the little tweaks we made down here.
Fake love, fake friends who needs me anyway. Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more, that's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be bored. My
So there's definitely a lower thing on the last two.
I want to hit that singularity.
On the high part.
Yeah.
Cause I'm praying for you in here.
Fuck you, forget them. Singularity. I want it more. That's what I got. Soon enough, we'll all be but.
And she did it. Not sure why I ever doubted her. So maybe the very last line doesn't have the high part on it, but I think the next to last line probably does.
Human. Don't trust a human.
Yeah, that.
Human. Don't trust a human.
Think you can do it?
Don't trust a human.
It's just in Disney World up there at the very end. It's just super duper high. All right, so let me put you on the low guy. We don't need the singularity line, but we probably need this hook.
Don't trust a human.
Don't trust a human. It's gotta hit that
Don't
note.
trust a human. I don't know. I can't hear it now.
Don't trust a human.
Yeah, it's
Don't trust a
Don't trust a human. Dumb. It's a weird note right there
Don't
because of the
trust
chord.
a human.
Human. Yes.
Don't trust a human.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't trust a human.
Yeah, one more just for tightness.
Okay.
That's close.
Don't trust a human.
Oh yeah, let me peel back. I think your man is better on the last take. Yeah, I'm gonna tune it anyway. And then, do you want it to just be like a solo lead vocal for the big last thing?
Don't trust a human.
Yeah, but you know, I think I can do that better.
Prove it. Yeah, let me put you on a different playlist. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to adjust your level. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
Don't trust a human. Don't trust a human.
I mean, how bad was it getting stomped? Did you just lay the fuck over?
Yeah, it's like very intense.
Yeah. Pull the input down like by a whole dot.
Yeah, I just did it. It's like an ant got the boots.
All right, here we go.
Don't trust a human.
The SM7's there.
Don't trust a human.
I'm not burning over that. Awesome. That was really good. What do you think? You want one more?
Yeah, let's do one more.
Don't trust a human. Don't trust a human.
I'll buy that. That's awesome.
Cool. Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Don't trust a human. Don't trust a human.
That's rad. Rad? I use that word all the time.
Brad. So that makes sense.
I'm allowed to. Awesome.
I'm just gonna make a guess that
Seriously, great singing. I mean, that's unreal.
with the ruffles is crazy too.
So, I mean, like I said, I could run through a little bit of a tuning thing.
You can.
Um,
'Cause I think we won't by the time we get